Hello, sir.
Hi Nishu, how are you?
Fine, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
My audio?
Yes, sir. No problem.
No problem? Okay, that's okay. So, Nishu, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm doing BCA. I'm in third semester.
Okay, okay, you are doing BCA.
Yes.
That's great. तो आपको कहाँ से पता लगा सेल्सफोर्स के बारे में?
Sir, actually, one of my friend is in Accenture.
हम्म.
He knows him. Sorry, he knows you.
ओके.
And he told me about the Salesforce. बट सर प्लीज़ आप भी बता दीजिए मुझे कि सेल्सफोर्स क्या है, इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? वैसे तो उन्होंने बताया है बट फिर भी एक बार आप मुझे पूरा
ओके.
ब्रीफली थोड़ा समझा दीजिए कि क्या है।
ओके, ओके, ओके. ओके, तो आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या पता है सेल्सफोर्स के बारे में? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू नो अबाउट सेल्सफोर्स?
सर एक्चुअली सिर्फ इतना ही पता है कि सेल्सफोर्स अभी रिसेंटली मार्केट में बहुत ट्रेंड चल रहा है इसका अभी, बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड में है
हम्म.
और क्लाउड बेस्ड है
हम्म.
और बिना सॉफ्टवेयर के हम कुछ प्रोग्रामिंग कर सकते हैं, बस ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पता
ओके, ओके, ओके. अच्छा, क्लाउड आपने बोला, आपको पता है व्हाट इज क्लाउड?
है। नॉट एग्जैक्टली।
ओके. ओके, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Salesforce.com. This is an organization. Just a minute, huh? Okay. The founder of Salesforce is Mark Benioff.
ओके।
Okay. Actually, he was working with Oracle,
हम्म।
and in late 1990s, around 99 or 98, he thought, "Ki why shouldn't I start my own CRM that is cloud-based CRM?"
हम्म।
So what he did, he set up one company and named that company as Salesforce.com.
ओके।
Okay, so the basic idea behind Salesforce.com is to provide a customer relationship management CRM.
हम्म।
Do you know what is CRM?
सर बस इतना ही पता है, कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट।
Okay, see, nowadays all the companies, all the successful companies, we can say, okay, the success, the factors behind their success is how they are treating their customers. Okay, so to manage customers, to handle customers, to get in touch with the customers. So this is basically an idea behind the customer relationship management,
ओके।
because the 90% of the business which comes for the companies, it comes from the existing customers. जो कस्टमर्स अभी हैं,
डेफिनेटली
जो
यस।
ऑलरेडी हैं, उनसे ही हमारे पास इतना 90% तक का किसी भी कंपनी को बिजनेस आता है. और वही कस्टमर्स, इफ दे आर हैप्पी विद अवर सर्विसेज एंड अवर प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट दे डू
राइट।
with their word of mouth, they do promotion.
यस।
Okay, so it is very important to know our customers and what are their requirements, what they feel about our product, and if there is any problem with our product, how we are dealing with our customers, what is our response time,
ओके।
है ना? And companies, what they do, they try to find out न्यू कस्टमर्स, टू मेक
ओके।
न्यू कस्टमर्स. वो चाहती हैं कि और भी नए नए कस्टमर्स हम बनाएं.
हम्म।
सो फॉर दैट पर्पज दे डू प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटीज लाइक एडवर्टीजमेंट, है ना, प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, and internet, digital marketing now they are doing. Okay, so this is the basic idea behind this CRM. Okay,
ओके।
I'll give you one of my example. I'm having Maruti car. And whenever I go to the service station,
Hmm.
for even if I'm having a very small problem,
Hmm.
they wash my car
Hmm.
and they serve me tea.
Hmm.
Why? So that I'll be happy with them. And
Fine.
and
Hmm.
and after 6 years, 10 years, after 10 years, if I'm going to purchase a new car, so I think yes, I'll go for Maruti only because they are number one in service provider.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is how they are treating customers. They sent me mails on my birthday,
Yes.
okay, on my
Hmm.
anniversary. So all
Right.
these
Right.
things they do.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is CRM. So what actually CRM is, we can say it is a process or it is a methodology
Hmm.
which is used to learn more about customers
Hmm.
and customer
Fine.
needs, their behavior
Yes.
in order to develop stronger relationships with them.
Fine.
Okay, so with the CRM,
Hmm.
we can provide better customer service. Second thing is we can increase our revenues. We can
Hmm.
discover new customers.
Okay.
Okay, and we can sell our products more effectively.
Okay.
And with the CRM, we can help our sales staff
Okay.
to close deals faster.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
so
Fine.
these are the many factors we are having CRM in CRM.
Okay. So, this is just a management system, or is it software? Is it a software?
Which one, CRM or Salesforce?
Yes. Yes. CRM
Yes, yes, CRM. It is CRM is a software. It is
is a software. It's not a management system.
Nee, management system is something else. If you talk about
Okay. Okay.
information management system, this is yeah, we can say this is a management system.
Okay.
Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
in Salesforce we are managing all this with
Mm-hmm.
from the cloud platform,
Okay. Fine.
cloud technology we are using in
And
Salesforce.
sir, what exactly cloud is?
Yes, yes, yes. I will tell you what exactly cloud is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so with the CRM, you are clear with the CRM.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now you asked about cloud, now.
Oh. Yes.
What is cloud computing, or we can say cloud technology?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, cloud computing or technology, it is not a new thing.
Mm-hmm.
uh, we are using cloud from decades.
Yes.
It's flowing from through decades. And now suppose
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you with an example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cloud technology and technology which is not using cloud computing. Okay,
Fine. Mm-hmm.
so the conventional one,
Mm-hmm.
जो हम पुराने तरीके थे हमारे काम करने के, कन्वेंशनल, वो क्या तरीके थे देखिए. सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस,
Mm-hmm.
a IT business,
Okay.
and for that business
Mm-hmm.
I need a server,
Yes.
I need networking devices
Yes.
like routers, switches,
Mm-hmm.
I need a team,
Mm-hmm.
and I will put one administrator over that server.
Yes.
And definitely,
Mm-hmm.
why? To manage that server.
Yes.
You know? So there are so many things, and it will cost me, suppose it will cost me around 15 lakhs.
Fine.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
सर्वर मैंने लगाया, मैंने नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस करे, आई स्टार्टेड अ
Mm-hmm.
न्यू लैब, मैंने एडमिन
Mm-hmm.
रखा. आई एम ऑल्सो कंसर्न विद द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ माई लैब,
Mm-hmm.
माई होल IT इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर.
Fine. Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and security also,
Mm-hmm.
updation also.
Right. Right.
So there are lots of things I have to manage.
Mm-hmm.
So in conventional model, or the conventional way of doing things, we called it capex model.
capex. Okay.
Capex model means capital expenditure.
Yes, capital expenditure.
Capital expenditure model.
Mm.
So in this capital expenditure model, what we are doing, we have to invest capital first.
Mm.
Okay.
Fine.
And what are the features? That this is costly,
Mm.
15 lakhs, let us suppose.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. Takes time for implementation.
Right.
What else? Monitoring required,
Yes.
and huge investment, we can say.
Mm.
Maintenance is also required. So
Mm.
there are lots of things associated with this capex model.
Yes.
Firstly, we have to expand, we have to put some capital on it,
Mm.
but still we are not using, we are not optimally we are using the overall our IT infrastructure.
Definitely.
Let us suppose I purchased one laptop,
Mm.
HP laptop,
Fine.
okay, of 50,000,
Right.
and that laptop is having
Mm.
1 terabyte of hard disk,
Okay.
4 GB of RAM,
Okay.
okay, Intel i7 processor,
Mm-hmm.
and I purchased that laptop in 50,000.
Fine.
Now they will never, the day will come
Mm.
when there is, in my laptop there is not enough memory to save my resume.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm.
10 KB, 20 KB और 1 MB की फाइल भी मैं उसमें सेव ना कर सकूं,
Mm.
इतना उस ऐसा दिन लैपटॉप में शायद ही कभी आए.
Mm.
Okay, and if I run server on it, that also required 4 GB of RAM, but I'm having
Yes.
8 GB of RAM.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, but I have invested 50,000.
Mm-hmm.
My capital was 50,000, which I was invested, but I'm not
Yes.
using it optimally.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
so this is our capital model, capital expenditure model.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
Okay, second
Mm.
one is our OPEX model.
Okay.
OPEX model is operational expenditure model.
Okay.
Operational expenditure model means whatever you are using, how much you are using, that
Mm.
for that only you have to pay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Mm.
now suppose I want one new sim,
Mm-hmm.
so I purchased one Airtel sim.
Mm.
Now for that sim, from that sim, if I call for 1 minute,
Mm.
Airtel will charge me for 1 minute only.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, if I make a call for 10 minutes, they will charge
Mm.
me for 10 minutes only.
Right.
Okay, and for that I do not need to deploy a tower.
Yes.
मुझे टावर नहीं लगाना, मुझे एंटीना नहीं लगाना, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं
Mm-hmm.
करना, मुझे सिर्फ एक
Mm.
सिम खरीदना है और मुझे यूज करना है,
Mm-hmm.
और जितना मैं यूज करूंगा उसी के लिए मुझे पे करना है.
Right.
और ना इसके लिए टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना.
Right. Right.
मॉनिटरिंग भी मुझे नहीं चाहिए,
Mm.
मैं नहीं करूंगा, वो एयरटेल करेगा. मेरा
Mm.
जो इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, या जो भी मेरा आईएसपी है, या जो भी मेरा
Mm.
जो मेरा सिम है.
Mm.
ओके, ये मुझे कॉस्टली भी नहीं पड़ेगा, अराउंड 50-60 रुपीज में आई विल गेट अ सिम.
Mm.
ओके, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विद ओपेक्स मॉडल.
Mm.
नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, यू
Mm.
हैव मेल आईडी,
Yes.
है ना?
Mm.
विच मेल आईडी यू यूज?
Nishu Shastri.
मीन्स
Gmail. Gmail.
जीमेल you use.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm. Mm.
Gmail is having their own cloud.
Yes.
Okay, now when you use Gmail,
Mm.
you have to install Gmail. in your system?
नो सर, जब गूगल करते हैं तो हम वो अपने आप ही आ जाती हैं सब चीज़ें।
है ना? आपको मीन्स
हम्म।
आपको कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल नहीं करना है अपने सिस्टम में।
नो।
आपको सिर्फ वेब ब्राउज़र में जाके यू हैव टू टाइप gmail.com,
यस यस।
okay, and the page will come.
हम्म।
Now the only thing is you have to provide your credentials, your username and password,
यस
है कि नहीं?
यस यस।
ओके, आप यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड इसमें प्रोवाइड करेंगे, आपका
हम्म।
पेज आपके सामने आ जाएगा।
राइट।
आर यू कंसर्न विद द सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स विद फॉर द जीमेल?
नो, हम तो
नो।
सिर्फ पासवर्ड देते हैं ना।
यस।
हम्म।
रेस्ट ऑफ रेस्ट ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स गूगल और जीमेल इज डूइंग फॉर यू।
यस 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 यस।
Okay, an
हम्म।
army of engineers, they are doing all these things for Google.
यस
You
यस।
are least bothered about the security.
राइट राइट।
If there needs to be some updation in Gmail, are you concerned with that?
नो।
No, Gmail will do it for you,
यस।
isn't it?
राइट।
Okay, so and if you go to one party,
हम्म।
you took some clicks,
यस।
and but in your SD card, you do not have enough space to
हम्म।
store those photos.
हम्म।
Now, what you will do, you will save those photos in your Google Drive.
यस यस।
So they are providing you space also.
यस।
Okay, so this is cloud-based computing
और ओपेक्स मॉडल।
in this OpEx model. Now,
ओके।
what are the features of this? Pay as you go.
ओके।
How much you use,
हम्म।
you have to pay for that only.
हम्म।
Okay, that is
राइट।
your economical
इकोनॉमिकली।
because you do not need to invest 15 lakhs capital.
यस यस यस।
Okay,
राइट।
multi-tenant system.
फाइन। राइट।
Okay, multi-tenant means what they do. Suppose this is a building.
हम्म।
Just a minute. From tomorrow or day after tomorrow,
हम्म।
few more people will join you in a batch.
ओके फाइन सर।
Okay. Now suppose this is a building. This is your ground floor.
ओके।
This is first floor.
फर्स्ट। सेकंड।
Okay. In this way.
रिस्पेक्टिवली यस।
Okay. Fifth floor. This is the building. Now first floor Wipro is using. Second floor TCS is using.
ओके।
Third floor Reliance is having.
ओके।
In the same way, fourth floor Airtel is having, and fifth floor Bajaj company. Now for this building, Wipro will pay only for the ground floor.
यस।
अगर ये tenant means हम जो हमने कहा multi tenant, tenant means as we give on rent, किराए पे कुछ देना. Okay, so Wipro will pay only for the space Wipro is using.
यस यस।
Okay, TCS will pay for the first floor only.
राइट
In
राइट।
the same way, Bajaj will pay for the fifth floor
फ्लोर।
only. Okay, Bajaj is not concerned with the second floor or first floor. In
यस।
the same way, TCS is not concerned with the third floor. TCS will pay only for the first floor. Okay, so but the services which we are giving for this building is at the gate we are having security.
यस
Security person is there.
यस।
Okay, and electronic surveillance cameras we have.
Yes.
on the gate. All are using this security. This security is for all, for fifth floor,
Yes.
second floor, first floor. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can say there is one parking area.
Right.
So this parking will be used by all.
Yes.
Clear?
Right.
There is one genset,
Okay.
generator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it will
Mm-hmm.
be used by all.
Okay.
So services which we are offering, each and everyone will avail that, but they are
Okay.
paying for what they are using. They are
Yes, yes, yes.
Wipro is uh, Wipro is having ground floor, so they will pay only ground floor for.
Right, right.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the cloud computing model.
Okay.
In this way, they give infrastructure
Mm-hmm.
as we are giving security.
Mm-hmm.
They give you platform to use it. They give you software to use it. There are so
Mm-hmm.
many things you can use,
Right,
but you have to pay only for what you are using.
right, right.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other benefit is this is scalable.
Mm-hmm.
Scalable means anytime you want, let's say Airtel want fourth floor also.
Mm-hmm.
So Airtel can extend its services.
Yes.
And if Airtel want to release fourth floor,
Mm.
they can release it. Means
Yes.
जितना आपको चाहिए
Mm.
आप उतना बढ़ा सकते हैं, एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं, और
Mm.
जितना आपको कम करना है आप उतना कम भी कर सकते हैं. स्केलेबल है.
Okay. Okay.
ओके. So these are the features of OPEX model.
Mm.
So cloud
Mm.
computing, in cloud computing we use OPEX
Mm.
model.
Right.
Okay, and without cloud computing, that is capital model, capital expenditure model. You have to
Mm-hmm.
invest too much. Okay, for this I'm having one video
Mm.
of Salesforce. I'll show you. Okay, just a minute.
You have big ideas to streamline your business and drive sales through the roof. But to get there, your ideas need business apps. And business apps have always been too expensive, especially in times like these. Behind each one is a world of complexity. They need a data center with office space, power, cooling, bandwidth, networks, servers, and storage. A complicated software stack, and a team of experts to install, configure, and run them. You need development, testing, staging, production, and failover environments. And when there's a problem, good luck. You call technical support, and they don't know, so they blame someone else. Oh, and when new versions come out, you would upgrade, but that might bring the whole system down. Now, this is for one app. When you multiply these headaches across dozens or hundreds of apps, it's easy to see why the biggest companies with the best IT departments aren't getting the apps they need. Small businesses don't have a chance. Cloud computing is a better way to run your business. Instead of running your apps yourself, they run on a shared data center. You just plug in, like a utility. This makes it fast to get started and it costs less. It's like Gmail compared to Microsoft Exchange. With Gmail, do you need servers and storage? No. Do you need a technical team to keep it up and running? No. Do you have to do upgrades? No. When you use any app that runs in the cloud, you just log in, customize it, and start using it. That's the power of cloud computing. This model is so much better, it's changing the way we think about software. Not just for consumer apps, it's also being used for business apps. We call this enterprise cloud computing. Businesses are running all kinds of apps in the cloud these days, including custom-built apps. Why? Because you can be up and running in a few days, which is unheard of with traditional business software. They cost less because you don't need to pay for all the people, products, and facilities to run them. And it turns out they're more scalable, more secure, and are more reliable than the vast majority of apps out there. Here's why. They're based on an architecture called multi-tenancy. With a multi-tenant app, there isn't a copy of the app for each business that's using it. It's one app that everyone shares. But it's flexible enough for everyone to customize for their specific needs. It's like a giant office building where everyone shares the infrastructure and services, like security, yet each business can customize their own office space. This means apps are elastic. They can scale up to tens of thousands of users or down to only a few. Upgrades are taken care of for you, so your apps get security and performance enhancements and new features automatically. Now, the way you pay for cloud apps is also different. Forget about buying servers and software. When your apps run in the cloud, you don't buy anything at all. It's all rolled up into a predictable monthly subscription, so you only pay for what you use. Finally, cloud apps don't eat up your valuable IT resources, so your CFO will love it. And you can focus on projects that really impact the business, like deploying more apps. Cloud computing is a simple idea, but it can have a huge impact on your bottom line. For more information, go to salesforce.com/cloud-computing.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you watched the video?
Yes, sir.
How was it?
I'm fine. Good.
Okay, so Salesforce releases that video
Okay.
to tell what actually Salesforce is.
Hmm.
Okay, now what Mark Benioff did actually.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to
Hmm.
again from the grassroots level. I'm starting.
Hmm.
He was working with Oracle,
Okay.
and he started with his own company.
Hmm.
With Salesforce.com was the
Hmm.
name in
Hmm.
late 1990s.
Hmm.
So they provide cloud-based
Hmm.
standard CRM.
Okay.
So when Mark Benioff
Hmm.
went to the customers for the feedback,
Okay.
they said, yes, this is a very good CRM, cloud-based CRM.
Hmm.
But one thing is, you have created this, you are providing us this standard CRM. We cannot change on this CRM according to our needs.
Okay.
If we have, suppose one company is having one business processes
Hmm.
and another company will be having different operations, different processes.
Okay.
So they all are using same CRM.
Right.
So how to change CRM according to their needs or requirements, or
Hmm.
to create their own business apps. So
Okay.
that is why Salesforce provided one platform,
Hmm.
that is Force.com platform.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So with this Force.com platform, you can create your own applications.
Hmm.
Okay. And the beauty of this is
Hmm.
with 0% of coding knowledge.
Okay. Fine. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So now it is not like that only BTech or BCA
Hmm.
or MCA. These
Hmm.
technical people, they will only make software or
Right.
applications.
Right. Right. Right.
Anyone who is having an idea,
Hmm.
he or she can create its application
Hmm.
with
Hmm.
drag and drop.
Fine. Fine.
Okay.
Hmm.
So in Salesforce, we have three certifications:
Hmm.
ADM 201,
Okay.
401,
Okay.
and Developer 501.
Okay.
So till this moment, ADM 201 and 401,
Hmm.
you won't be requiring any programming skills.
Okay.
Okay. But in Developer 501,
Hmm.
if you want to do something extraordinary with your programming skills, you can use Developer 501.
Okay.
Okay. In this, they use Apex language.
Okay.
So Apex is a programming language
Hmm.
which we can use in this Force.com platform to create our own application with the programming.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
80% of the job you can do this with 201 and 401.
Okay.
Okay. And without programming. But if you want something extraordinary, some enhancements, you
Hmm.
can use Developer 501 with Apex. And Apex is almost 90% similar to Java.
Okay.
So, you know Java language?
Sir, just a start हुआ है अभी तो.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so it is 90% similar to Java. But if someone do not knows Java, that is not an issue or a big problem.
Okay.
Okay, because we teach from grassroots level. The requirement is prerequisite is only the basics of Java you must know. What are
Okay.
the classes and objects and object oriented features?
सर आप कराते हैं
Yeah,
ये
yes, yes, yes. We start. We teach from the grassroots level, from the
ओके
very
फाइन
basics.
ओके
Okay, वो that comes in Apex.
ओके
Okay, so now if we talk about cloud computing, do you have any doubt till yet,
नो सर
or any point you want clarification?
नो नो सर
Okay,
नॉट एट
okay. So cloud computing, it is not something very new in the world of IT.
ओके
Okay, and when we talk about cloud computing, there are three major tenants. As I told you, tenant, this
यस
ground
यस यस
floor, first floor, second
राइट
floor, and the
यस
services they
यस
are providing, security, parking,
जेनसेट
genset, and all. Okay, so the three major tenants are: number one is infrastructure as a service, I, IaaS. You might be heard of that. Okay. Second is platform as a service,
ओके
and number third is software as a service.
ओके
Now I'll tell you what is infrastructure as a service. Okay, as I told you, in conventional model, capex model, you need your own infrastructure. You need your
यस
servers, your routers, your networking lab,
यस
full-fledged networking lab. Okay, all these things. So infrastructure, you do not have to create your own infrastructure.
ओके
Okay, in cloud computing, infrastructure is available to you. Infrastructure as a service. Okay, IaaS is available to companies who have already implemented their web-based applications. Okay, and they do not wish to host them locally. Okay, and when we talk about infrastructure, anything that is related to setting up a hardware,
ओके
whether it is servers, identifying your data centers, about their you can say connectivity, network bandwidth, their load balancing. These are technical terms you will learn in networking. The software that are required to upgrade, the end-to-end manageability of hardware, and whatnot, is all taken care by the Salesforce, by this infrastructure as a service. They are providing you infrastructure to use it. Okay. Now second is we have platform as a service. Okay. Now um, you are learning Java right now. Okay.
यस
So for Java, you must need JVM,
यस
Java Virtual Machine. Okay, as a platform to run Java on your system. Okay. In the same way, Salesforce is providing us with a platform. Okay, and I told you which platform?
फोर्स डॉट
Force.com platform. And this Force.com platform, you can run your Salesforce standard customer relationship management. Okay, and you can create your own applications as well. So they are providing you platform as a service. Platform as a service. Now third one is software as a service. Okay. Now what happens if we bring one new software? We have to go through the pain of installing, uninstalling. If it is not working or compatible, we are applying the patches. है ना? So Salesforce does not want you to do all this.
ओके
Rather you should concentrate on your business perspective and operations or processes. The upgradation of the software, maintenance, all these things is taken care by the company called Salesforce. Yes. Okay. If you want to, if you want your system will be upgraded, while you are working on it.
Okay.
And this is the very big plus with the Salesforce. Means uh, you are using your Salesforce,
Mm.
and at the back end, your system is upgrading. You do not need to stop your server.
Okay.
Okay, you might have seen many times that when you go to some website, they say
Mm.
server is under maintenance.
Yes, yes, yes.
It happens, but in
Yes.
Salesforce, this will
Mm.
not happen.
Okay.
Okay, you can do Salesforce, and at the back end, it is upgrading as well.
Okay, fine, fine.
So they are providing you software
Mm.
as a service.
Service.
Okay,
Mm.
they provide you software which is available to use already.
Okay.
It can be configured,
Mm-hmm.
but it is not necessary to hire developers to create it.
Okay.
Okay, and the solutions of the customer relationship management,
Mm.
the CRM.
Mm.
Okay, Salesforce automation, marketing automation, customer service and support, they
Mm.
all fall under this category.
Okay.
So these are the three tenants this cloud computing provides.
Right.
So does our Salesforce.
Fine.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so is it clear about the cloud computing and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mm.
now I'll tell you with the help of this diagram.
Okay.
This is Salesforce.
Mm.
Okay, now Salesforce is providing CRM.
Okay.
This blue one is standard one, which is already created by Salesforce for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
and Salesforce provide one standard CRM, and in
Mm.
which we are having two
Service cloud.
Sales Cloud
Mm.
and Service Clouds.
Service cloud.
They comes in this CRM, Customer
Service.
Relationship Management, which is standard.
Okay.
Okay. Now second thing is custom applications.
Okay.
Force.com platform.
Mm.
Salesforce provides us a platform, Force.com platform, with the
Mm.
help of which we can create our custom applications.
Mm-hmm.
Any
Okay.
application you want, any application you can create. You need a idea, a vision. You can create
Okay.
application and
According to our business.
processes and operations
Okay.
and requirements. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm.
Now, second thing is from this force.com platform, see this
Mm.
standard CRM, it also runs on this platform.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you want to do some changes or amendments in
Mm.
this CRM, you can do.
Mm.
Means you can make changes in this standard CRM as well.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the beauty.
Mm.
And then we have App Exchange.
Mm.
App Exchange is like Google Play Store,
Okay.
where you have a number of applications which you, if you like any application, you can download it, you can install it on your mobile.
Okay.
Okay, so in App Exchange, what companies do, they create their applications and
Mm.
they upload it on App Exchange. So
Okay.
if anyone is requiring any software, they can search on App Exchange. If any
Mm.
application suits them, they can download it, they can install and use it in their
Acha.
in
Okay.
their
Okay.
application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you can also create your application and you can
Mm.
upload it.
Okay.
Even you can put some price also on that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there are other many features like chatters. Chatters,
Mm-hmm.
you know what is like your WhatsApp.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You can create your chatters.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you are having any idea, you can put that idea, and
Mm-hmm.
other employees on your company, they will suggest something, they will like, unlike, all these things you
Mm-hmm.
can do. Because it
Mm-hmm.
happens in organizations that one junior employee is having one idea,
Mm-hmm.
but he is not able to speak to his general manager or CEO or the top most employee that, sir,
Mm-hmm.
I'm having this idea. So actually they do not have reach to them, so they can put their idea, and all over the employees from all over the their colleagues from the
Mm-hmm.
organization, they will
Mm-hmm.
support and tell and amend. So this
Mm-hmm.
idea will, you can float.
Okay.
So there are so many things with Salesforce. So this is the
Okay.
basic
Mm.
thing
Okay.
about Salesforce.
Salesforce.
Okay, so
Mm.
now you tell me,
Mm.
uh, what question do you have, what query do you have?
So nothing. आपने तो सब कुछ ही क्लियर कर दिया.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we'll stop here today.
Okay.
Okay, and tomorrow at the same time we'll start, and might be from tomorrow or day after tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
3 4 more people
Okay,
they will
fine, sir.
join your batch.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I'll tell you how to create that